Hey guys, it's David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Today I just want to make a quick little video for you guys and talk to you about manipulating your prospecting timeframes to work around your schedule. You know, one of the things that I hear on a very regular basis from people is something around the lines like this. David, I don't know if I can do this because, I'm a single mom. I have a kid that's in daycare. I get off at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I drive 30 minutes to go get my kid. Then I got another hour commute to get back home. I got to cook dinner, and then I got to do all this other stuff. And my kids need my time. My kids need mom time. And that's completely valid. That's a very legitimate excuse. I remember when I was getting started in the high ticket consulting world, AKA asset recovery, getting big chunks of money up front. I was super busy. The only time that I had was Saturdays and Sundays. I knew I needed to make phone calls. I knew I needed to prospect and follow up with people, but I was busy. At that time I was transitioning out of the door-to-door industry, and I was working 2 weeks on and 2 weeks off. I'd fly all across the United States, did it for a long time. Every single year, I would never throw away my room keys. I'd accumulate stacks, like fucking huge ones like this. I could barely grip them. Like in the sales and marketing world, it's not a very physical intensive workout. It's a mental workout. And I was smoked. All the time I had was on Saturdays and Sundays. And when I was getting started doing that, I'd have all these thoughts and beliefs in my head, oh, I can't make calls on Saturday because people work a 9 to 5 and, they're going to be out running errands and nobody will pick their phone up. And, I had all sorts of things. And on a little side note, you guys, Saturdays and Sundays are the best days to make phone calls, especially Sundays. Everybody's home. Everybody's hanging out on the couch, scrolling, getting on Netflix. The contact rate is huge. But, and some other videos I've talked about the compounding effect behind your marketing efforts. Okay, and you got to let that work to your benefit. I've said this before, X amount of contacts equals X amount of leads, X amount of leads equals X amount of deals. It's kind of the formula. So it doesn't really matter if you work a 9 to 5. There's different things you can do around your schedule to make it work for you. Like if you're on the West Coast, get up a little bit earlier and call the East Coast. You got a 4-hour time difference there, or vice versa. But I know a lot of you guys are super busy, and in an economic environment like we're in right now, there's all sorts of elements out there that are stressing on people, that are wearing on them, it's making it tough to pick up the phone. But you guys know that you have to prospect. You have to make phone calls. And so it doesn't matter what your schedule is like, just make your calls around your schedule. It's okay to start off small and not go take over the world right out of the gates, but just make a couple phone calls every single day and just keep at it. It's okay to go slow, but it's not okay to not do anything. Okay. But with that being said, you guys go out there and crush it. That's all I have for you. Take care.